Want more visibility, trust, and local SEO for your business? One of the best ways to achieve this is by learning how to set up a Google business profile. Showing up on Google Maps and in local searches not only boosts visibility, but builds trust and helps you collect reviews. In fact, 46% of all Google searches are for local info, and businesses on Google Maps are twice as likely to be seen as reputable. Hi, I'm Sarah, founder of Sharpshutter Media LLC, where I help small businesses like yours create a powerful online presence. So let's dive right into the tutorial. All right, step one, head over to google.com/business. If you already have a Google account, log in. If not, hit create account and follow the prompts. Once you're in, click Manage Now to start setting up your Google business profile. Before you proceed, you should search for your business on Google to see if it's already listed, because sometimes Google auto-generates profiles. If you find yours, just go ahead and claim it instead of creating a new one to avoid duplicates. If it's not listed, then go ahead and add your business to make it official. So next, you want to enter your business name, exactly how people know you. So I'm going to enter in my business name, Sharpshutter Media LLC. If you're just a service-based business, select the service area option, but you can check more than one option, so just pick whatever pertains to you. Then pick the most accurate category for your business. This helps with your local search ranking, and it also makes it easier for the right people to find you. Then for this next section, just follow the prompts here and enter in the information you want to. I'm not going to put my phone number in for right now, but I'll come back to that later. So go ahead and enter in that information and your website, and then you can choose next. And then it's just telling you it's going to put your business on the map, which is awesome, exactly what we want to do. And then just decide if you want to get updates and notifications. So choose the boxes that you prefer and hit continue. Then the next section is going to ask you to verify your business. And we'll talk a little bit more about this later, as some businesses will have to do things a bit differently. So just follow the prompts through here. The next section is adding your services. So you definitely want to put some details here. So again, if you're a service business, you're going to want to list all your services that you have to offer, because then this will show up when people are searching your business. So go ahead and put that information in. And then once you've got a full list, you can click the next button, and you can always come back and edit this later. But the more filled out we get it now, the better off you're going to be. And then we can go from there. Once you have all your services entered, just go ahead and press next, and then you're going to fill in your business hours. Now, here's the fun part, writing your business description. This is where you can optimize your profile by clearly explaining what you do, who you help, and why people should choose you. Keep it engaging and to the point, and you can easily do that with the help of ChatGPT. You will need to keep a limited character count as well, so keep that in mind when writing your description. Don't forget to upload some of those great photos that you collected. People love visuals, so including images of your products, services, or even behind the scenes shots of what you do can be a great addition. Not only does this make your profile stand out, but it really does help build trust with those potential clients. Once you've set up your Google business profile, verification is crucial to appear in searches and manage your listing. So Google offers several different verification methods depending on your business type and location. You might need to record and upload a video showing your location, business equipment, and proof of management. Some businesses can verify by receiving a code via phone call, text, or email. If your business is already verified in Google Search Console, you might qualify for instant verification. And in some cases, Google may require a live video call with a representative to confirm your details. Just follow the Google prompts to complete the process, and once verified, your business will be officially listed on Google, helping you get found by more potential customers. And there you have it. Now you know how to set up a Google business account, how to optimize your Google business profile, and even how to claim and verify your business on Google. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow business owner, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to help your business shine online. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.